How do I transfer my Uber Cash to my bank account?
Hello everyone. Today we'll be tackling an important question many of you have been asking. How do I transfer my Uber Cash to my bank account? Unfortunately, as of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, Uber does not allow direct transfers of Uber Cash to a bank account. But don't worry. We're going to explore an alternative way of converting your Uber Cash to real currency.
What is Uber Cash?
Uber Cash is a payment method that you can use on Uber's apps, like Uber Eats or the main Uber app. It's a prepaid balance that can be used at any time for rides in the Uber app or orders on Uber Eats. It's important to note that while it's a form of digital currency within Uber's ecosystem, Uber Cash is non-transferable and cannot be exchanged for real money or transferred to a bank account.
How can I use my Uber Cash effectively?
If you can't transfer Uber Cash directly to your bank account, you can still make the most of it by using it to cover your Uber-related expenses. Here are some ways you can do that. Pay for Uber rides. You can use your Uber Cash to pay for your rides in the Uber app. Order food on Uber Eats. Uber Cash can be used to cover your food orders on Uber Eats. Cover delivery and service fees. Use your Uber Cash balance to cover additional fees associated with your orders or rides.
Can I convert Uber Cash to real money?
As mentioned, Uber Cash cannot be directly converted into real money or transferred to a bank account. However, by using your Uber Cash to cover your Uber-related expenses, you are essentially saving real money in your bank account that would otherwise be spent on these services. In conclusion, while you may not be able to transfer your Uber Cash to your bank account, you can effectively utilize it by reducing your out-of-pocket expenses on Uber-related services. We hope this video has been helpful and given you a better understanding of how to manage and use your Uber Cash. Thanks for watching.